Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can turn on BitLocker for a device on your computer. So let's open the Windows or the PC shortcut. Then just locate the device or the partition for which you want to turn on BitLocker. Click with the right button of the mouse and select Turn on BitLocker. Once done, the BitLocker will start, and once done, it will show you a section where you need to choose a password. I would suggest you to use just a simple password instead of using the card to unlock. You will need to remember your password properly because there is no way how you can retrieve it or delete it. You will be given the option to print the password, and there are multiple options how you can do that. You can either save it to your Microsoft account, save to a file, or print the recovery key. Personally, I prefer to print the recovery key as a PDF, and after that I print it as a physical paper. So I will just name it 123 for showing. I will save it, and once done, the next button will appear and we'll click next. Here there are two options. You can encrypt use disk space only, or you can encrypt entire drive. So choose the one which suits you the most and click next. There are also two encryption modes to be used. I would invite you to read through and to choose one which suits you, but personally I use the compatible mode and I click next. I will start encrypting. You will need to wait a few seconds. Now that the encryption is done, if you turn on or off your computer, you will see that you will need to enter the password before accessing your device data. Once this operation completed, I will show you how it looks like when the device is totally encrypted. So let's just close. Here you can see a little locker. It's in gray color and it's opened. So when you click, you can access the data. Once we will eject the device, or you will just restart or turn off your device, you will see that you will be asked for a password. So let's again plug our device. As you can see, Windows couldn't access my data, and here the lock is in yellow, all golden color with a key. And to unlock it, you need just to click 2 times on your device. The BitLocker will ask you to enter your password. So I invite you to enter the password exactly and enter unlock. You will need to wait a few seconds and your data, or even a few minutes, and then your data has been decrypted and you could access it as you want. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.